Data analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Where exactly does one end and the other begin? Here's where I'll briefly talk about how each of them fits into the larger scheme of things. We'll start with data. Data is any digital information that is generated by or used for your compute operations. That'll include log messages produced by a compute device, weather information relayed through remote sensors to a server, digital imaging files like CT, tomography, and ultrasound scans, and the numbers you enter into a spreadsheet, and everything in between. Data analytics is the art of using programming tools or spreadsheets to parse large volumes of that data so it can be better understood and exploited. Typically, a data analyst will load a dataset into an appropriate environment where it can be cleaned of unnecessary noise, shaped, visualized, and interpreted. I described this process in all its gory detail in my Teach Yourself Data Analytics in 30 Days project. But at its core, analytics is about understanding the world as the data presents it. Machine learning, on the other hand, is about using some of that data, although often in much larger quantities, to predict what the world is going to look like. Like data analytics, machine learning looks for patterns in historical data sets. But rather than just trying to understand what happened, machine learning engineers seek to design or train software models to extend those historical patterns into the future. A successful machine learning model might accurately predict which products will most interest the customers on your website, for instance. This will allow you to individualize each user's experience. As a slightly less creepy example, think how banks use machine learning models to flag suspicious transactions that suggest someone's trying to illegally use your credit card. Finally, artificial intelligence is a cluster of tools for combining data and often machine learning models with computers to enable real-time interaction with the physical world. The trick is to get artificial intelligence to the point where its autonomous machine performance is as good or better than that of humans. The countless and constantly expanding range of AI applications include self-driving cars, digital assistants like Alexa or Siri, and complex industrial control systems. That'll hopefully get you started in the right direction. There's plenty more executive briefing level information like this available in my book, Keeping Up, Backgrounders to All the Big Technology Trends You Can't Afford to Ignore.